In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach an email to another email with ease. In just a few steps, you'll have the knowledge to manage your email communications more effectively, especially if you ever need to share or forward emails as attachments for clarity or record keeping. Let's dive right into it. To start, let's focus on downloading the email that you want to attach. First, open your email client and find the specific email that you'd like to attach to another email. Once you have it open, look for the downward arrow, which is often found near the reply or forward icons in your email interface. When you click on this arrow, you should see an option to save your email. Choose the option that allows you to save it as a .eml file. This will download a copy of the email directly to your computer, making it ready for the next step. Saving it in this format preserves the original structure and content of the email, which is crucial for maintaining context when attaching it to another message. Now that your email is saved, it's time to attach it to a new email. Navigate back to your inbox and click on the Compose button to open a new email draft. Once the window is open, look for the attachment icon, commonly represented by a paperclip symbol. Clicking on this icon will prompt you to select a file from your computer. Here, you'll need to locate the .eml file that you just downloaded. Selecting this file will attach it to your new message, just like you would with any ordinary document or image. With the email now successfully attached, you can proceed with writing your message. It's often helpful to add a brief explanation or context in the email body to inform the recipient why you're sending the attached email. This step ensures that your communications are clear and that the recipient understands the importance or relevance of the attached file. Finally, once you're satisfied with the message content and the attachment, simply click Send. Your email, now with the attached .eml file, will be sent to the intended recipient. This method is incredibly useful for forwarding conversations while keeping them intact, sharing important messages with additional context, or simply ensuring that a record of an email is preserved in its original form. That's all there is to it. With these simple steps, you're now equipped to attach emails within your email client, expanding your ability to manage information efficiently. Whether you're sharing communications for work, personal record keeping, or collaborative projects, this method ensures clarity and continuity in your digital interactions. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on mastering your digital tools.